Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of Hasbro's Beyblade Burst Turbo Swing Shot, Cyclops, and Phoenix. As you can see, it still has, the level chip hole in there. So how you put on the Phoenix armor, like this. Actually goes something like this, I believe. Huh. Okay, so you want to see these little arrows here, the little blue arrows. Blue arrows go right there along the side of the Phoenix wings. And then you go ahead and you turn it, just saying, just like this. You don't turn all the way. There's no clicking sound, no snapping sound, but it is locked in there. And then you take then you hit that little button right there, which then should release this. Missed it. Stop playing. Oh, my little cat. Let's see. Maybe it's gonna go something like that. And that's how Phoenix will look, all put together. For Revive Phoenix. And then we have coming on, my phone wants to be a little delayed today. Cyclops. So Cyclops 5 Fugo S. So here is the Hasbro exclusive, limited exclusive bag, I guess you want to call it, of Cyclops. It does have some nice, like, frosted white to it, whitish gray. This little special glitter that you can't really see too good on camera. Gold, green, and kind of like I don't know. I kind of want to call it almost an egg salad color for this little C right there. So this bag is actually featuring 2 C's on there. You might be saying 2 C's. What do you mean 2 C's? There's only 1 C. C right there in the middle of its forehead. But then if you let this big kind of like golden cod type of gear and kind of hold it this way, it kind of makes the shape of a C. Now I know it could be a complete circle, and its little horn is just kind of in between the little gaps here. But a lot of people are saying that there's actually not supposed to be a gap there. That the horn is not covering up like the little gaps like in between each one of these. That it actually makes like a giant C if you hold it this way. Which I could kind of see what they mean by making the letter C. See what I mean? And then to kind of make it into a C, they put the horn right there. Instead of making it into a complete circle, they made it into a C. Although, standard C right there on the head, which I kind of like, because it's kind of like the old school Beyblade burst baits, where like, if it was like Jaegon, it would have a Y on there. If it was Veltriats, it would have a V. Doomsizer, a D, and so on and so forth. Which we don't really get with the new Turbo bays and the Swing Shot bays. We just get like the little characters on there. But yeah. There's this QR code. The QR code actually kind of reminds me of Space Invaders. It goes pew, 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 pew. I mean, like the little space invader, it's coming down, and then you have like that little tank that shoots, and then you can shoot right up and through the buildings as it's shooting down at the buildings in your tank, and it's moving back and forth like one of those little side-scrolling platform games slash arcades, you know. That's what that reminds me of. And then we have disc 5. Why is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 like little electric fan blades, I guess you could call it. 1 star is what this has. And here's the driver. Kind of has like this little wings going on to it, which is supposed to be F for Fugo instead of like little wings, but I like how the F looks more like wings than a F right there. Same as we saw before with, you know, Wangalot or Wakavor. You know, how that bay had Fugo on it. They're saying its performance tip does something different. You just slide this. Now this one you get more of a whole flat, and then if you slide it the other way, you get the spike. So you can see the spike. Whole flat, spike. Not much of a spike, but which, you know, I kind of wish that this one had a little bit more spike to it. Now, this is still within the Beyblade Burst Turbo Swing Shot series, but something I found that's really odd with this set compared to the other set, like with oh, who the heck was it? I just did a review on them not too long ago. With like Silver Etched Stone and the other one, the so-called Leopard Bay, which is guarded by Hasbro. You want to get that one directly as a Kari Toby one. Those ones for the little bottom of the driver had, again, you had to twist, pull up, and twist again, and then, you know, twist, push down, and twist slot it. While these ones just have this little lever right here. Slash lever, then, you know, you just flip it and it does it. So, I kind of like the new little lever feature better than the whole twist, pull, twist type of design. Because this, you can actually see what's happening and know that it actually locks into place. While the original twist, pull, twist did not lock into place, or if it did, it was very hard to get out of the first stage that it came with, out of the box, to then get into a second stage, and then even harder to get it back to the first stage, back to the box. So it's just like, why did they even do it? So I don't have any launchers. Let me go grab a launcher. So both of them are going to be in their original drivers. Whoa! Did you all see that? Phoenix immediately bursts. I mean, yeah, Phoenix bursts its layer, where at least it's Phoenix armor, secondary energy layer. That thing just burst and flew right out of the base there. But it definitely 100% burst Cyclops. Cyclops got destroyed by Phoenix. And Phoenix was still spinning, so Phoenix looks to be pretty powerful. So let's go ahead and swap Phoenix over to semi-hull flat. Line up the Phoenix armor. Let that band into place. I'm going to do this now and swap this over to hull flat for Cyclops. And I already pre-bursted Phoenix armor. So give me a second here to kind of set that up. Now this time, Cyclops won. So it seems like Phoenix, if you want Phoenix to win, put it in spar mode for the driver. If you want Cyclops to win, put it in hull flap on the driver. And by the way, when a Phoenix armor bursts, you're not supposed to take the armor out of the base station while the two bays are in there. This armor is supposed to stay in there, so it adds like a secondary or a temporary type of, I don't really want to say bay pocket, but like corner of the base stadium. So it is supposed to stay in there until both bays stop. Because I know some people be like, okay, the armor bursts, let me just grab the armor. Nope. As long as those bays are spinning, you leave that armor in there. I have to say, this is probably one of the most fun sets that I have so far with the Beyblade Burst Turbo. The drivers actually work. They actually work with the